ब्लू है नहीं, फिर भी थोड़ा लग रहा है ना। ठीक है, shall we start? Are we ready? Wonderful. Come on, let's begin. Yes, very good morning, my dear friends. Dosto, good morning. Good. Foundation students who qualified foundation recently came to Inter, successfully completing 1 week of classes. And most of them, what I saw is 90% of them, almost 98% of them have continuously come without any self-declared holidays. That's good, but continue the same till the end. That is most important, because in life, the most easiest thing is starting. The most difficult thing is continuing. Ending like continuing. If you continue, you'll end it. That's for sure. Chal, will you proceed? Chalo, but yesterday we discussed some interesting concept about what is the tax rate for capital gain, especially in relation to long-term capital gain and short-term capital gain. Are we clear with that? Apart from that, my dear friends, we also discussed some interesting point where we spoke about some concept known as surcharge. Yaad hai beta? What is surcharge? Surcharge is something like an extra tax which is charged on high-income people. Friends, what is section 27? 225A. What is definition of India? India covers territory, territorial waters, seabed, subsoil, underlying such water, continental shelf, exclusive economic zone. About territory and territorial waters. Wonderful. What is section 231? Person includes individual, HUF, firm, LLP, companies, AOP, BOI, AJP, local authority. Barabar hai na beta? Wonderful. Then, what is section 4? What does it say? Income earned by an assessee during the previous year is chargeable to tax in assessment year. How many exceptions are there? What are those 5? Shipping business of non-resident, section 178(2). Then, persons leaving India permanently or for long time, section 174. AOP, BOI, AJP, formed for a short duration or purpose, 174A. Persons likely to transfer property to avoid tax, section 175. Discontinued business, section 176. Good. What is section 87E? Rebate. It's only for whose total income does not exceed. How much is rebate? Tax payable or 12,500, whichever is lower. What is section 288A? Rounding off of income. 288B. 115BB. Tax rate? Flat 30%. 115BBE. Unexplained incomes, unexplained investments, unexplained expenditure. Taxable at a flat rate of 60%. Plus surcharge, 25%. Plus cess, 4%. Effective rate, 78%. Barabar hai na beta? Friends? Good. Chalo, my dear friends. First, tell me some important answer, then we'll start. What is section 112? General rate for long-term capital gains. At what rate? 20% on amount exceeding nothing like that. So straight away flat rate of 20%. What is section 112A? Long-term capital gains, equity shares or units of equity-oriented mutual fund or units of business trust through recognized stock exchange on which STT is paid is taxed with rate of 10% on amount exceeding. Correct है ना बेटा? दोस्तों बोलो, what is section 111A? Same scenario, instead of long term, it is short term. Taxable with the rate of 15%. And here there is nothing called 1 lakh. Straight away 15%. Clear है बेटा? Any other short term capital gain? Normal rates, slab rates. दोस्तों clear है यहाँ तक? सबको समझ में आया ना? Perfect? Good. Yesterday at the end of the class, last 10 minutes, we discussed the concept of surcharge. And after that, I also spoke about something called marginal relief. We did not write that, but we'll write that. But before that, let's once revise surcharge, then we'll start. Are we ready? Good. 2 more minutes. Listen. बोला बेटा, surcharge. हम किसकी बात कर रहे थे कल? सिर्फ individuals. Correct? No? बोला बेटा, individual क्या surcharge rate है? Total income greater than, what is the first slab? 50 lakh, but does not exceed. कितना बेटा? This 10% is on surcharge, is always a percentage on tax. HEC is a percentage on tax plus surcharge. बराबर है ना बेटा? Good. Second, total income greater than 1 crore, but does not exceed. कितना बेटा? Next, third category, income other than dividend 112, 112A, 111A. वो 4 छोड़ के बाकी इनकम 2 करोड़ के ऊपर है. दोस्तों बराबर ना? क्या है सरचार्ज रेट? More than 2 crore, does not exceed 5 crores. कितना बेटा? More than 5 crores, 37%. And please keep in mind, these two cases will come into picture only when income other than dividend 112, 112A, 111A. It is more than the 2 crores, 5 crores. Clear, my dear friends? Everybody, sir? And the important point to be noted there very clearly is that for that other income only will charge 25%. But for dividend 112, 112A, 111A, 15%. Indirectly, what we are trying to say is that maximum rate of surcharge for a dividend 112, 112A and 111A is what percent? 15%. That is a concept. सबको समझ में आया बेटा? Everybody? And yesterday, did you write these examples? Mr. D तक लिखे ना examples? D का भी लिखे ना पक्का? That's an interesting example. No doubt about it. Good. After that, my dear friends, I told you about something called maximum marginal rate, which refers to what? Highest rate of income tax. दोस्तों कल बताया था आपको, but we did not write because time was going, so I did not write, but we'll write today. What is 229C? Maximum marginal rate, which means what? Highest rate of income tax, other than unexplained case. What is the highest rate? Basic rate? 30%. Surcharge? 37%. HEC? So effective rate 42.74. पता है ना अपने को 42.74 कैसा आया? बेटा बोलो ना यार. 37% is on 30%. 4% is on tax plus surcharge. बराबर है ना? Start. Yesterday last exam what we wrote was Mr. D only, no? Right below. Put side heading section 229C. Title maximum marginal rate. Please check how to write 229C. Don't write whatever you want. Maximum marginal rate. Right below. Maximum marginal rate refers to MMR. In short, we call it as MMR. Maximum marginal rate refers to highest rate of highest rate of income tax. Maximum marginal rate refers to highest rate of what beta? Income tax. That is 30% plus surcharge at the rate of 37%. 30% plus surcharge at the rate of 37% plus HEC at the rate of 4%. Full stop. hence comma the effective rate is 42.74%.
This will be only for individuals.
Only for individuals. In other cases, surcharge is anyways less. So this cannot be more than that. In other cases, surcharge is maximum 12%. Individually, surcharge is highest. So this will only be highest. कोई सर बोले अभी ऐसे ही okay ठीक है sir. Okay, clear with this point, everybody? Which section this is 229? C, which deals with the concept of what? Maximum marginal rate. What is 27? 28? Assessment. 29. Wonderful. 27 assessment. 27 is assessee. 28 is assessment. 29 is assessment year. क्या no sir? 27 is assessee. 28 is assessment. 29 is assessment year. Assessment लिखे ना कल हम लोग. It is a procedure by which income of an assessee is assessed by the assessing officer. Correct, no friends? What is 225A? 231. 229C. Maximum marginal rate. है ना भाई सुजल? ठीक है, clear? Speak out beta. Chal, proceed. Put side heading. Please put side heading. Concept of marginal relief. Concept of what beta? Marginal relief. Concept of marginal relief. Concept तो समझ गए ना आप लोग? कल अपना सर्वेश का केस किधर है वो? हाँ सर, याद है ना एग्जाम्पल? Extra tax is more than extra income because of surcharge. Then we'll get a marginal relief. And marginal relief concept has got nothing to do with HEC. दोस्तों बताते हैं आपको. Continue. Concept of marginal relief. There is no section number for this because these concepts are given by Finance Act. Correct? No? Right. Surcharge rates are also given by Finance Act. That's why there is no section number. But special rates like 115BB, 112, they're all given in Income Tax Act. That's why section number is there. Clear? लिखो. Finance Act के अंदर ही है. Concept of marginal relief will apply. Concept of marginal relief will apply. Concept of marginal relief will apply when extra tax is more than extra income. When extra tax is more than extra income because of surcharge. When extra tax is more than extra income because of surcharge. Full stop. Continue. This generally occurs when income is slightly बराबर. Slightly मतलब हाँ थोड़ा सा. When income is slightly beyond the limit of surcharge. When income is slightly beyond the limit of surcharge. समझ में आया क्या बेटा ये? When income is slightly beyond the limit of surcharge. I hope the language is clear. Clear, my dear friends, everybody? Next line write down. Marginal relief is equal to you are writing is equal to symbol. Marginal relief is equal to extra tax minus what beta? Extra tax minus extra income. बराबर है ना? Indirectly गवर्नमेंट बोल रहा है जितना कमाए पूरा हमको दे दो, रो मत. Next line. Or write a note. We'll close this concept. Write one note. For computing marginal relief, for computing marginal relief, comma, HEC is irrelevant. समझ में आ रहा है क्या बेटा?
Yes.
For computing marginal relief, HEC is irrelevant. तो पहले आप marginal relief निकाल लो, पूरा कदम करो, लास्ट में HEC को ऐड करो.
Yes.
समझ में आ रहा है ना बेटा? जा. Take example 1, example 2. Example 1, Sarvesh and Bharat. Example 2, Meet and Geet. Geet तो कोई था नहीं ना? Meet. After you take the example, I'll give a question. I want you to solve. And just to clarify this first example, at the end, what will you do, beta? Plus HEC at the rate of 4%. Can you tell me how much is it? $56. That's it. Net tax payable. That's it. That's the story of Sarvesh. I'm sure example is clear for all of us. You did not add HEC for Varat because Varat we are trying to compute only to check what is the marginal relief. That's all. In exam question, they'll not give you Sarvesh and Varat both. They'll only give you 51 lakhs. That's all. So to calculate marginal relief, you have to compare with 50 lakh. So this part, since you finish writing, this part what I'm doing is only to find out what is marginal relief. In exam, they'll not ask you both. In exam, they'll ask you only this part of the question. But you have to compare with 50 lakh so that you'll understand what is marginal relief.
If it's exceeding 1 crore, so we compare with 1 crore.
Exactly. Next question वही है मेरा जो आपको देने वाला हूँ. सर क्लियर है? ज्यादा मतलब HEC वजह से ज्यादा आ रहा है. ज्यादा किधर आ रहा है? अरे HEC से थोड़ा बढ़ेगा, होता ही है. HEC से थोड़ा बढ़ेगा, आप वही बोल रहे हो ना. अरे इधर 13,12,500 है, इधर 14,12,500 है. मतलब एक्स्ट्रा कितना पे कर रहा है ये? 1 लाख. एक्स्ट्रा इनकम भी 1 लाख की है ना. अरे यार फ्रेंड्स, समझ गया ना? नहीं समझा क्या? अरे ये 13,12,500 पे कर रहे हैं, ये 14,12,500 पे कर रहे हैं, तो एक्स्ट्रा कितना पे कर रहा है ये? तो एक्स्ट्रा इनकम कितना हो गया? तो रिलीफ आ गया ना यार. जितना एक्स्ट्रा कमाया उतना ही पे कर रहा ना, उससे ऊपर पे कर रहा क्या? कल मैं आपको एक लाइन बोला था, याद से बोला था, मतलब आई टोल्ड दैट लाइन वेरी क्लियरली. मार्जिनल रिलीफ कॉन्सेप्ट इज नॉट टू गिव यू एनी बेनिफिट, इट इज ओनली टू गिव यू एंश्योर दैट देयर इज नो लॉस फॉर यू. फायदा इतना है कि नुकसान नहीं है. यही बोला था मैं कल. समझ गया ना? क्लियर है ना पक्का?
वो शायद रहा था कि HEC के कारण इसको
अरे HEC वजह से थोड़ा ज्यादा बढ़ेगा ऑब्वियसली, कुछ नहीं कर सकता बिकॉज 1 लाख टैक्स बढ़ गया तो HEC भी 400 रुपए बढ़ेगा ना, 4,000 रुपए, हाँ ओके 4,000 रुपए तो बढ़ेगा ऑब्वियसली। अरे कमाएंगे ज्यादा ज्यादा और बोल रहे टैक्स पे नहीं करिए, कैसा होगा? फिर भी फायदा दिया ना हम लोग। डन, क्लियर दिस एवरीबॉडी? एग्जाम्पल ओवर। चेक एग्जाम्पल 2 of Meet and Geet. No marginal relief for Geet. Why?
difference in tax.
Because extra tax is not more than extra income. That's it. हो गया बेटा?
Yes, sir.
Friends done? चलो, I'll give a question. Please solve. Ready? Solve the question. Compute tax liability of Mr. Aditya. Compute tax liability of Mr. Aditya, assuming his total income is 1 crore 1 lakh. Sorry, 1 crore 2 lakhs. 1 crore 2 lakhs. चलो सॉल्व। डोंट आंसर डिडक्शन से पहले, डिडक्शन के बाद यार ऐसा पूछना ही नहीं चाहिए। मैंने क्या बोला बाबे? टोटल इनकम तो खत्म कहानी। ओह गुड क्वेश्चन। साइलेंट मतलब नॉर्मल, खत्म। सॉल्व इट। 2 minutes. I want the answer. 2 minutes time. Get me the answer. Don't forget the concept of marginal relief. You have to check whether relief will come or not and then solve it. बोलना दोस्तों, चल आंसर क्या है तेरे को? आफ्टर HSC एवरीथिंग 31,33,000. ठीक है. $37,34,000. क्या पूछना तुझे? मार्जिनल डिफरेंस जो आएगा उसको माइनस करना पड़ेगा ना. 31, 33. $31, $95, $400. $34. Excellent. बोलो क्या बोला आपने? 34, 25, 500. 34, 35, 510. ठीक है. इतने खतरनाक आंसर्स आ रहे हैं. सर 32, 75, 3217, 500. Is it? आपका ही आंसर इसमें कौन सा है? लास्ट वाला है क्या? ठीक. सात्विक लास्ट वन. ओके. 37. माय गॉड. 37, 37, 38, 02, 0. Yes, my dear friend. अरे आप लोग इतने आंसर देंगे एक क्वेश्चन का, मुझे माय हार्ट बीट इज इंक्रीजिंग मैन. बेटा क्या है आपको? 34,06,910. बोलना बेटा. 34,25,500 है ना बेटा इसमें? सेम आया? ठीक है. हाँ 32,70,500 है ना इसमें? देखते. मिस्टर मीत, क्या है आंसर आपका? कुछ आया ही नहीं. और ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है यार? अब चेंज करना है तुम्हारे को. ठीक है, हटा दूं क्या ये? किधर है तुम्हारा आंसर फिर? 32, 93, 750. ठीक है. बेटा आपको क्या है लास्ट में? क्या है आंसर आपको? कुछ आया नहीं आंसर अभी तक. अरे हाँ, क्या चेंज करना है? कौन सा हटाना है आपको? अच्छा हटा दिए फर्स्ट वाला, उसमें आप है जो हट गया. अच्छा अब शिफ्ट हो गए. ठीक है. $37.98. अरे वो तो है ही नहीं इधर. अच्छा जो नहीं है हम नया बोलते सर. 37.98, 600. ओ माय गॉड. कौन सा वाला? इसको हटाना है क्या? Shall we solve? That is the power of basics concepts of income tax, which is not just basic, advanced concepts only. No doubt about it. सर टैक्स इतना प्रैक्टिकल सब्जेक्ट है, इसमें कुछ गेम नहीं खेल सकते, कोई सवाल ही नहीं है. आई एम श्योर यू गाइस आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग द पावर ऑफ सीए इंटरनो. मजा आ रहा है ना? कॉस्टिंग में चालू हो गया, कॉस्ट शीट चालू हो गया, कॉस्ट शीट वंडरफुल. अभी रियलाइज करेंगे हिट. ठीक है, एनीवेज 3425. ओह, तो फर्स्ट से नीचे आ गया. ठीक है, हाँ अच्छा ये निकाल दो क्या? ठीक है बेटा. ऑलमोस्ट 10 आंसर लिखे थे, उसमें 4-5 तो ऐसे सॉल्व करने से पहले हट गए. हाँ कौन सा? अच्छा अभी भी है वो, अभी भी है. अरे भाई अभी भी है. ठीक है, लेट्स सॉल्व. चलो बेटा, लेट्स चेक द आंसर. कम ऑन, व्हाट इज द फिगर आई गिव? When you are trying to calculate marginal relief, you will compare with what? Speak out. Common sense point, you have to compare with 1 crore. कोई 50 लाख से कंपेयर किया क्या? नहीं ना? फिर भी इतने अलग अलग आंसर्स आए. ठीक है, लेट्स चेक. If it is 1 crore 2 lakh, what is the tax, my dear friends? Up to 2.5 lakhs nil. सबको वही आया 2872,500. उस पर तो कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है किसी का. वो आ गया ना 2872,500. सर आपको पता है कैसे सॉल्व करना है? वो एग्जाम में तो सॉल्व करो कंपलसरी. प्लस सरचार्ज एट व्हाट रेट? कितना है? 15%. 430. हाँ टोटल 33,03,000. ठीक है, 1 करोड़ का कहानी बताओ भाई, टैक्स कितना रहा है? 28,12,500 बराबर है. वी विल ऐड सरचार्ज एट द रेट ऑफ 10%, 2,81,250. इधर भी सरचार्ज आएगा ना? आएगा ना सरचार्ज इधर भी? कितना है? 30 lakhs. Tell me what is the difference in income? 2 lakh. Difference in tax? Wonderful. क्वेश्चन समझ में आया क्या? 2,09,625 less marginal relief. आएगा ना marginal relief? कितना है? 96. साथ में क्या करें आप? Friends, getting my point, everybody? What is the balance? 32,93,750. Add HEC at the rate of कितना है बेटा? 131,750. Final answer 33 lakhs. 34,25,500. This is the answer. I hope we are getting clarity on how to calculate marginal relief, बेटा. दोस्तों बोलो ना यार. जिसको 37 लाख आया क्या करे बेटा वो लोग? आप क्या करें दोस्त? आपका किधर गड़बड़ हो गया? अच्छा 2,09,000 में जितना डिफरेंस आया और जितना टैक्स का फर्क है वो पूरा रिलीफ ले लिए. साथियों क्या करें आप? सेम. अच्छा 209 पूरा रिलीफ ले लिया आप. That's why we wrote no marginal relief is difference between is what? Difference in tax minus difference in income. एक और क्वेश्चन दूंगा ना ऑब्वियसली. आपका टैलेंट समझ में आ गया ना तो दूंगा ना ऑब्वियसली, इस पर कोई डाउट ही नहीं है. सारे क्लियर? यार बोलना है यार. कैन वी सॉल्व वन मोर क्वेश्चन? चलो लेट कंप्यूट Tax liability. Tax liability of Mr. Compute tax liability of Mr. Anand. Of Mr. Anand, assuming his business income, assuming his what income beta? Business income is 3 crore 3 lakhs. 3 crores, that's it. और कुछ income नहीं है उसके पास. Bracket, age is 64. 64. 64 years old, income is 3 crore 3 lakh. अब सीनियर सिटीजन है तो सरचार्ज में फर्क पड़ता क्या? तो सेम ही है. सरचार्ज क्या रेट लेंगे बेटा? हाँ, छोटा चेंज इन द क्वेश्चन एक्चुअली. आपको क्या बोला मैंने? 3 crore 3 लाख ना, उसको 2 crore 3 लाख करो, क्योंकि 3 crore 3 लाख में तो रिलीफ कुछ आ ही नहीं सकता है, क्योंकि इनकम शुड बी क्या, स्लाइटली बियॉन्ड द लिमिट ऑफ सरचार्ज. याद है ना बेटा? उसको 2 crore 3 लाख करो. 2 crore 3 लाख. मार्जिनल आ रहा है क्या कुछ?
Yes, sir. 72 lakh 60,760.
7260760.
Yes.
ठीक है. Same answer. What's the income I gave? 2 crore, 3 lakhs. Up to 3 lakhs nil. बराबर है ना? Why? Senior citizen. 3 lakh to 5 lakh at the rate of, which comes to 10,000. 5 lakh to 10 lakh at 20%, which comes to 1 lakh. About 10 lakh at the rate of 30%, 57 lakhs total. We will add surcharge at the rate of 25%. 14 lakhs total beta. I actually have to compare this with what figure? 2 crores. What is the tax on 2 crore? 58 lakh 10,000. That's my tax on 2 crores. On that I will add surcharge at what rate? कितना बेटा? 8 lakhs 71,000 total. 66 lakhs 81,000. What is the difference in income, difference in tax? Difference in income is 3 lakh. Difference in tax is. So what is my marginal relief beta? 3,93,500. Extra tax minus extra income. बराबर है ना? बेटा बोलो. What is the total? Add what? HEC at the rate of 4%. कितना है बेटा? 2 lakhs 79,260. Final answer 70,72,60,760. How many of you got same answer? Excellent. Almost everybody. But few of them still mistake. समझ में आ रहा है क्या? एक और क्वेश्चन दूं क्या लास्ट? लास्ट क्वेश्चन. I think we got very good clarity. And in the exam, they will not even tell you 2 crores se compare karo, 1 crore se compare karo. They will not tell. You should know that. Correct? No, we should know that. Done? Right on. Compute tax liability. क्या हुआ? Compute tax liability of Mr. Akash. Compute tax liability of Mr. Akash having salary income. Having salary income. Don't question the question. Always keep in mind, you should never question the question. You should only answer the question. If you question the question, question questions you. And we don't want question. We want answer. Continue. Compute tax liability of Mr. Anand. Akash. Having what income? Salary income of 5 crores 5 lakhs. 5 crores 5 lakhs. Bracket. Age is 5 crore 5 lakh. 55. Fancy बनाएंगे थोड़ा. Solve करो भाई. How much time you want? 55. 55. 55. Solve my difference. Solve. Come on. 2 minutes. चाहिए आंसर मुझे. फटाफट. Come on, guys, do it. $5.5 lakh नहीं बेटा, 5 crore 5 lakh है. 5 crore 5 lakhs है. तो ध्यान से करो कैलकुलेशन. एक जीरो कम लिखे तो गया, तो देख के लिखो, देख के लिखो. What is it you have done? Can you do the working again? Last one. Do. What, my dear friend? Be careful, be careful. Solve properly. Use calculator effectively. हो गया सात्विक? अरे क्या बात है यार, दिखाओ. See that fellow? 5 crores इनकम आया, 2 crore टैक्स में जा रहा है. 1 crore 97 lakhs 76,250. क्या कॉन्फिडेंस है चेहरे पे. यस माय डियर फ्रेंड, क्या गड़बड़ कर दी? हो गया गड़बड़? ओ माय गॉड, थोड़ा नीट. Tell me guys, what is the income I gave? 5 crores. Come on, what is the tax on 5 crore 5 lakh? 1 crore. Tell me like this. No, 1 crore 49 lakhs 500. We'll add what? Surcharge at what rate, beta? 37%. How much? 55 lakh 6,000. 36,520. ठीक है, सॉरी. टोटल 2 crores 4 lakhs 98,625. बराबर है. And when I'm trying to compare with what, my dear friends? 5 crores. What is the tax? Wonderful. Surcharge at what percent? 25%. 37 lakh? 3,125. 1 crore. अरे खतरनाक मार्जिन रिलीफ आएगा ये क्वेश्चन में. एक्सट्रीम मार्जिन रिलीफ इज कमिंग. कितना मार्जिन रिलीफ? 1 crore. ओए ओए 14 lakhs 83,000. बस बराबर है ना बेटा. एक्स्ट्रा टैक्स मैंने एक्स्ट्रा इनकम. गाइस कम ऑन, बोलो ना बेटा. डन. कितना है? 1 crore 90 lakh 15,625 प्लस एच से द रेट ऑफ कितना है? 1 crore 97 lakhs.
1 crore 97 lakh.
ठीक है, okay. 1 crore 97 lakhs. 1 crore 97 lakhs 76,250. That is the final tax payable. So please understand that 5 crore कमाया तो 2 crore टैक्स में गया उसको. स्टूडेंट बोल रहा है कमाना ही नहीं है, मत कमाओ. So are we getting clarity, everybody? Did you understand this concept, all of us? Everybody, sir. I'll give one more question. एक और question. So basically now we are going to solve two questions, my dear friends. One question will be a small chunnu question, chota limbu timbu question, and after that we will solve one bigger question where all heads of income will come at a time. From all the angles we'll attack. Ready? पहले एक छोटा क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करते. लिखो. Compute. How many of you got correct answer for this question? Good. 95%. Good. Beta, hold on. I am not writing intentionally, but you are asking, so I will tell. ये दोनों का डिफरेंस कितना है? 19 lakhs. ये दोनों का डिफरेंस कितना है? So this minus this. Extra tax minus extra income will become your marginal relief. ठीक है ना बेटा? डन. चलो. क्या बोला मैंने? Compute. हाँ ये तो ऑब्वियसली बोलो. Compute tax liability of. This question I want the answer in less than 2 minutes. Compute tax liability of Mr. Mukesh. You know Mukesh? हाँ. थिएटर में आते हैं ना जाते ही. Compute tax liability of Mr. Mukesh. Aged 33 years. Age how many years? 33 years. Having long-term capital gain, LTCG, on sale of building. Having LTCG on sale of building. ठीक है ना बेटा? LTCG on sale of building. 2 crore 2 lakh. 2 crores? Full stop. He does not have any other income. He does not have any other income. ठीक है ना? एज बता दिया ना मैं तो. आपको 2.5 लाख 2.5 से 5 सब करने की जरूरत भी नहीं है. 2 मिनट में हो जाएगा क्वेश्चन. सॉल्व करो. आराम से सोच के करना. मार्जिन रिलीफ क्या आएगा क्या नहीं आएगा सोच के करना बराबर से. कितना आएगा प्रॉपरली निकालो. Take 2 minutes more if you want, but think properly and do it. Don't write whatever you want. Apply all your brains. Search. क्या भाई? $49,92,000. Expected. Take 2 minutes more if you want, but think properly and get the answer. You will see. Yes, beta. 70, 28, 510. 47, 48, 120. You are in 70 lakhs, is in 40 lakhs. 48, 31. दोनों को साथ में एक ही आंसर है क्या, या साथ में सॉल्व करें? अलग अलग के लिए फिर भी सेम आंसर आएगा. अच्छा, ठीक है. Some are in 70 lakhs, some are in 40 lakhs. बोलो बीच में कोई 50 लाख 60 लाख. दोस्त क्या हुआ? करना बेटा, खत्म कर. कैलकुलेटर नहीं है क्या हाथ में? तो करना बेटा, खत्म करो. देखते. ठीक है. Shit, Karthik realized his mistake. Oh my God. I saw, while doing only, I saw that there's a biggest blunder there. Final पक्का? Are you sure? कंप्यूटर महाशय लॉक कर दीजिए, बोलिए. 47,84,000. ठीक है, ठीक है, देखते. देखते. ना बेटा बोलना. 4784. ठीक है. Last 2 minutes. Recheck your answer, rethink your answer, think properly, then get me the final answer. Can you show me your answer? गलत है दोस्तों. बुक पास ऑन करो. दोस्त गलत. Shall we look at the answer? First of all, is the question interesting? No doubt about it. चलो बोलो, what is the income I have given? Long term capital gain on sale of what बेटा? कितना फिगर दिया मैंने? 2 crores 2 lakhs. Before you start solving anything, hold on, nobody should write now. सुनो 2 minutes बेटा. Before you start solving anything, first question I will ask, it's long term capital on sale of building. What is the tax rate? ये तो पक्का है. With section 112, some great people reduced 1 lakh and applied 112A. Kare na kam? I know. Don't do that next time. Yeah. Second point. When I apply 20%, my second question to you very clearly, it is more than 2 crores. More than? What is surcharge rate? 15%. Because for dividend, LTCG under section 112, 112A, 111A, maximum surcharge is only 15%. समझ में आ रहा है क्या? अगर 2 crore 2 lakh नहीं है, 2 crores ही है, तो surcharge कितना है? 15%. So there is no question of marginal relief. वही सोचा है क्या? तो करा क्यों नहीं भाई? अच्छा बाद में रियलाइज किया. सर कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आया क्या मैं क्या बोल रहा हूं? अरे भाई सुनना मेरी बात, वापस बोलूंगा, सुनो सबके लिए. दोस्तों listen once again. Sir, it is more than 2 crores. More than 2 crore does not exceed 5 crore. Surcharge कितना है? 25% normally. But 25% concept will not apply to 4 incomes. What are the 4 incomes? Dividend 112, 112A, 111A. ये चारों का मैक्सिमम रेट कितना है? तो मतलब 2 करोड़ के ऊपर है तभी भी 15% ही लगेगा ना. एग्जैक्ट 2 करोड़ तो कितना लगता था? 15% ही लगता है ना. जब तभी भी 15 है, अभी भी 15 है, तो सरचार्ज क्यों, आई मीन मार्जिनल रिलीफ क्यों आएगा मेरा दोस्त? सिर्फ मार्जिनल रिलीफ कहानी क्यों आएगा? बिकॉज सरचार्ज की वजह से थोड़ा सा तुम्हारा इनकम बढ़ गया, और थोड़ा इनकम बढ़ने से टैक्स बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ गया. Guys, are we getting clarity? Speak on, my dear friends. So there are 3 concepts in this question. 2 concepts I told you. I repeat again. Concept number 1. Since it is long-term capital gain on sale of building, tax rate is 20% under section 112. Concept number 2. Since it is more than 2 crores, even though it is more than 2 crores, surcharge is 15% only. Even though it would have been exact 2 crores, still surcharge is 15% only. So there is no concept of marginal relief. बराबर है ना? Concept number 3.
Basic exemption limit.
I told you in the question that there is no other income. So what you have to do is, when you are calculating 20%, first from 2 crore 2 lakh, reduce 2 lakh 50,000 and then apply 20%. कल बच्चा पढ़ा था ना ये चीज. If you don't have any other income, आपका basic exemption limit use कर सकते हैं ना सर इसको? Some are telling, few of them, oh. अरे यार परफेक्शन आ रहे नहीं आ रहे भाई. इतना प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने का रीजन वही है. अगर सिलेबस ही खत्म करना है तो भगा सकते हैं, कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, बट आपको मालूम ही नहीं पड़ेगा. वो बाद में रियलाइज हो गया लास्ट में, जब तक ऑलरेडी पूरा हो गया. क्या फायदा है? फ्रॉम डे 1 वी हैव टू बी एग्रेसिव. सर क्लियर है? समझ में आ रहा है सबको? क्वेश्चन मजा आया क्या? हाउ मेनी ऑफ देम हैव डन करेक्टली? आप हाथ मत उठाओ, पहले गलत करे, छोड़ दो. 2 लोग करे, दैट्स इट. ये आज खाना ही नहीं खाएगा आज, इतना खुश है. ठीक है सर, गॉट द क्लैरिटी ऑन द कॉन्सेप्ट एवरीबॉडी? बोलो ना भाई. So when you read the question, you have to be very, very clear, understanding what they are actually talking about. Then solve it. Some of them directly 25%, 2 crore, 15%, निकालो relief. And 1 2 friends, 2.5 लाख तक नील, 2.5 से 5 लाख 5%. Control. ये long term capital gain है. Please. Clear है? चलो भाई. How do we calculate the tax? Come on. Tax at the rate of 20% under section 112 is equal to 2 crores 2 lakhs minus 2 lakh 50,000, which is your bill. What is bill? Into 20%. बराबर है? 39 lakhs 90,000. To this we'll add surcharge. At what rate? कितना है बेटा? 5,98,500. बराबर है? टोटल 45 lakhs 88,000 प्लस HEC at the rate of कितना है? 540. टोटल 49. 47 lakhs 72,000. भाई कैलकुलेटर क्या कर रहा है भाई? Now students reaction. Sir, one more question. I know. सर अगर एक बंदे के पास कुछ और इनकम है ही नहीं, सिर्फ कैपिटल गेन है, लॉ इज टेलिंग जितना आपका बेस कंडीशन नंबर आप यूज नहीं कर पाए, आप इसके लिए यूज कर लो. This benefit they are giving. And let me tell you, we didn't write that point yesterday, but when I go to capital gain, I'll tell you in detail. This benefit is only for resident, individual and HUF. दूसरों का नहीं मिलेगा ये बेनिफिट, अपने वाले को देना है. समझ में आया ना? So yesterday we wrote that point, no? Unexhausted basic exemption limit. Go to the point once. Go to that point. क्या लिखे एक बार पढ़ो. The unexhausted basic exemption limit can be utilized towards long-term capital gain under section 112, 112A and 111A. This benefit is only for and HUF. HUF को भी आएगा ये. Add कर लो. This benefit is only for resident, individual and HUF. And HUF लिखो last में. HUF नहीं मेरे भाई. HUF. I hope we are clear with this concept. दोस्तों सबको क्लैरिटी है क्या इस कॉन्सेप्ट पे? कंपैरिजन जरूरत ही नहीं है ना. एक नोट लिख देता मैं चाहिए तो. Are we clear? Write a note. Exactly. Write down. In case of LTCG under section 112, write a note. ये कोई आंसर का नोट है ये. In case of LTCG under section 112, come on, the maximum rate of surcharge is what beta? 15%. Full stop. Hence, good. Hence, there is no question of what beta? Marginal relief. सबको समझ में आ रहा है क्या? पक्का? Can I give one more question? Almost 4-5 क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करें अभी. ठीक है, एक और करते. Compute tax liability of Mr. आकाश हो गया, आनंद हो गया, आदित्य हो गया, अब मिस्टर अभिषेक, अब मिस्टर विनोद सर लिखो. Compute tax liability of Mr. Vinod sir, assuming he is having LTCG on sale of shares, bracket STT paid, STT, पता है STT? LTC on sale of shares, STT paid, put a hyphen, put a dash, write the amount. 5 crores, 4 lakhs, 504 00 000, full stop. He does not have any other income. बस है 5 करोड़ और के. He does not have any other income. चलो भाई निकालो टैक्स. विनोद सर को बताएंगे उनका टैक्स क्या है. अरे तू मेरे से पूछेगा क्या पूरा? Which section will come into picture? Huh? 112A. Good. Should be almost. No, should be correct. I'm guessing. अरे यार 2 मिनट का क्वेश्चन नहीं है. LTCG in case of what sir? Shares. STT paid is taxable at the rate of what beta? 10% on amount exceeding 1 lakh. बराबर है ना बेटा? Which section? 112. A. Friends, speak out. How do I calculate tax? Tell me. What is the figure I gave? 5 crores 4 lakhs minus 1 lakh minus 2,50,000. अरे आप लोग कोई पूछे नहीं एज क्या है? नॉर्मल थी, साइलेंट है तो नॉर्मल इंटू 10%. समझ में आ गया ना सर? स्टूडेंट इज आस्किंग सर लास्ट क्वेश्चन में 1 लाख क्यों माइनस नहीं करे आप? भाई ऐसा क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे तो क्या होगा अपना? That is 112. This is 112 A. No feelings, no emotions, only sections and subsections. कितने हैं? बोलो कार्तिक.
50,05,000.
बराबर है क्या?
15,000. Sir, 50,05,000.
50 लाख. अरे तब से तेरा कैलकुलेटर हर क्वेश्चन में 10,000 कम दे रहा है क्या यार? क्या सेटिंग करके रखे उसमें? Add what? Surcharge at what rate? 15?
Yes, sir.
Above 5 crores. कितना है? 75 lakhs. रे क्या? 7 lakhs? 57 lakhs? 55,000? H is at the rate of 4%. कितना है? 2,30,000, 230. पूरा फैंसी नंबर सर है इसमें. 9? 59 lakhs 85,980. That's it. There is no concept of looking at marginal relief. Why? Because maximum rate is only 15%.
Income equation. पिछला क्वेश्चन का इनकम है.
So are we clear with this question? बेटा बोलो ना यार. एक और लास्ट क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करें, देन वी विल प्रोसीड टू नेक्स्ट कॉन्सेप्ट. एक और क्वेश्चन प्लीज. चलो. कंप्यूट टैक्स लायबिलिटी. Compute tax liability of Mr. Ravi Teja. Ravi Teja, South Indian hero. Full knowledge है तेरे को यार. Compute tax liability of Mr. Ravi Teja, aged 55. Assuming he has only one source of income. Assuming he has only one source of income. That is STCG. STCG on sale of shares. Bracket STT paid. Put a hyphen. Amount is 1 crore 1 lakh. Think properly and do, my dear friends. Every question is not the same. So obviously every answer is not the same. 1 crore 1 lakh beta. I doubt. I'm not sure. I'm doubting. Check once. 18 lakhs. Oh my God. सबसे पहले एक इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन पूछूं क्या मैं आपसे? Will marginal relief come into picture? Speak out. 100% answer is yes. Apply your brains. Because you have to cross check with 1 crore. If you cross check with 1 crore, surcharge would have been 10%. But now you are applying 15%. Student ask, last question में क्यों नहीं आया फिर? Last question में तो 15 ही है. इधर 15-10 होता था ना? बेस का लिमिट पे ही रह गए अभी भी. सर क्वेश्चन समझ में आया क्या? Obviously, when you're comparing for that purpose, you have to compare for that only, no? So basically, we are trying to say that 1 crore 2 लाख 2 लाख बोला हमने. 1 crore 2 लाख की जगह 1 crore है तो क्या होता था? That's what we are trying to find out. Yes, बेटा. ठीक है. नहीं आ रहा है क्या? नहीं आ रहा है? Oh, let's check. कितना है फिगर? 1 crore 1 crore 1 lakh दिया मैंने. So when I give 1 crore 1 lakh, first of all, which section will come into picture? Sorry? Tax at the rate of 15% under section 111A is equal to 1 crore 1 lakh minus 2,50,000. बराबर है ना बेटा? Into 15%. 14,77,000. To this we will add surcharge at the rate of 15%. बेटा बराबर है ना? कितना आ रहा है? Other side, I will calculate what if this figure is not 1 crore 1 lakh, but it is only 1 crore. बराबर है ना? 1 crore minus 2,50,000. दोस्तों बराबर है या नहीं? यार बोलना बेटा. Into 15%. 9 lakhs. 14,62,000. For this 14,62,500, I will add surcharge at what rate? दोस्तों बराबर है ना यार? बोलो कितना है? 10%. Total? What was the total here? Wonderful. No marginal relief. But कितना अच्छा क्वेश्चन है यार. Almost we were close to marginal relief, but there is no marginal relief. I hope you like the question. I made you solve 4 or 5 questions, boss. One question is where slab rates are there. One question where 112 is there. One question where 112A is there. One question where 111A is there. Clear? Done. Less marginal relief. 16,99,125. To this I will add HEC at the rate of 4%. कितना है बेटा? That's it. 17,67,090 is the tax payable for this particular question. So we solved almost 5 to 6 questions on marginal relief surcharge concept only for 2 reasons. Number one, we get a complete clarity on marginal relief. At the same time, we also get a complete clarity on rates of surcharge. I hope we got full clarity on this concept. Everybody, my dear friends, pakka clear all of us. Brilliant. Is it barabar hai na? Good. Slowly, yeah, exactly. Be patient. Can we proceed? यार बोलो ना दोस्तों. Good. Now, my dear friends, we discuss the rates of surcharge in a simple manner, where we discuss that total income is more than 50 lakh, does not exceed 1 crore. कितना बेटा? 10%. More than 1 crore does not exceed 2 crores. And other income is more than 2 crore does not exceed 5 crores. Other income is more than 5 crores. 37%. Other income, other than dividend, 112, 112A and 111A. We clearly wrote the word excluding, including. And I gave examples also. Clear with that, everybody? Dosto bolo na beta. Done. Now let me tell you one interesting point. The rates of surcharge what we discussed will apply even to HUF, AOP, BOI and also AJP, except in one special case. That is a case where AOP, which is consisting of only companies as its members. I repeat again. I repeat one more time. Please listen. For individual, we discuss the rates of surcharge. Correct or not? Yes, everybody? Whatever surcharge rate we discuss for individual are applicable even to HUF, AOP, BOI, AJP, except in one case, that is AOP, which is consisting of only companies as its members. Yes. Only companies as its? In that case, where it's consisting of only companies as its members, they told 2 cases. More than 50 lakh does not exceed 1 crore, 10%. More than 1 crore, 15%. That's all. That's all. In case where AOP, which is consisting of only companies as its members. समझ में आ रहा है क्या बेटा? That means 2 companies are coming together. They started doing business. Then we call them as what? AOP. Yes. What is the tax rates for AOP? Same like normal category. याद है ना बेटा? I told you that normal category also covers HUF, AOP, BOI, AJP. Friends, sure. Please put one special point. Rates of surcharge discussed for individual. Rates of surcharge discussed for individual. Rates of surcharge discussed for individual. Rates of surcharge discussed for individual are applicable rates of surcharge discussed for individual are applicable even to what sir? HUF, AOP, BOI and AJP. HUF, AOP, BOI and AJP, except in case of AOP, except in case of AOP consisting of only companies as its members. Except in case of AOP consisting of only companies as its members. Clear? Next line. Next line. In case of AOPs, consisting of only companies as its members. In case of AOP, consisting of only companies as its members, then the rate of surcharge, is as under, right below. If total income like this, greater than 50 lakh, does not exceed 1 crore. Greater than 50 lakh does not exceed 1 crore. Kitna beta? 10%. Second, total income more than 1 crore, direct 15%. Got the difference, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. This is the story of AOP consisting of only companies as its members. So with this special point, what we wrote, my dear friends, we are done with the tax rates for individual, HUF, AOP, BOI, AJP. In sabka kahani khatam. Are we clear, everybody? Speak out. Let's put side heading now. Let's put one side heading. Tax rate for firms, LLP, local authority. Tax rates for a firm, LLP, and what, my dear friends? Local authority. Straight away, let me tell you, my dear friends, tax rate is 30%. Nothing called 2.5 lakh nil, 2.5 to 5 lakh, 5 to 10 lakh. Nothing is there. Straight away tax rate is what? 30%. And what they told in surcharge is also straight one flat rate. If total income is more than 1 crore, 12%. Khatam. कुछ भी नहीं है. Individual what they told? 50 लाख के ऊपर 1 करोड़ तक, 1 करोड़ से 2 करोड़ तक, 2 करोड़ से 5 करोड़ तक, 5 करोड़ के ऊपर ऐसा. All that story देखिए. सब मत टेलिंग यही अच्छा है ना सर, पर 30% है ना सर ये. You don't talk from a student point of view. Talk from a businessman point of view. Businessman point of view 10 लाख तक टैक्स 1,12,500 आ रहा था ना. अगर फर्म है तो सीधा 30% 3 लाख आता था ना सर. तो फिर getting clarity? That's it. This is the story of firms, LLPs and local authority. Getting clarity, everyone? Hold on. Don't write. Relax. 2 minutes. Next point, my dear friends. Tax rates for cooperative society. Heard of this word, cooperative society? Cooperative societies. What they told is up to 10,000. उनके पास प्रॉफिट होता कितना, इसलिए लिमिट्स कम है. अगर लिमिट 2.5 लाख है तो कोई कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी टैक्स पे नहीं करेगा इंडिया में. क्लियर? अप टू 10,000 10%. मतलब बेस कमीशन लिमिट कुछ भी नहीं है. समझ में आ रहा है बेटा? 10,000 to 20,000 20%. Above 20,000 30%. For is getting clarity? Come on, what are the limits? Up to 10,000 10%, 10,000 to 20,000 20%, above 20,000. And let me tell you one interesting point. What is the rate of surcharge for cooperative society? थोड़ा सा अलग है. Total income more than 1 crore but does not exceed 10 crores, 7%. Total income more than 10 crores, 12%. Some are telling, kya sir? Different case में different rates है. Obviously, if everything is flat, if income tax department says, government of India says, everyone income tax rate is 5%, surcharge is 0, enjoy. हम सीए बन के क्या करेंगे? बोलो. हाँ? Enjoy. अरे enjoy करना मतलब कुछ तो काम करना चाहिए ना यार. So getting clarity, everybody? Speak out. Chalo, come on. What is the rate of surcharge for individuals? Up to 50 lakh, no surcharge. 50 lakh to 1 crore, 10%. 1 crore to 2 crores, 2 crores to 5 crores, 25%. Above 5 crores, बराबर है? बोलो बेटा. Exactly. Now, To simplify your task, I'll do something. Listen. I know you didn't write. I know. याद है बेटा? बोलो ना बेटा.
For cooperative societies, that slab rate is 10,000 limitly, but for total income 1 crore surcharge.
उतना कमाए तो भरो चार्ज, वरना जरूरत नहीं है. वरना जरूरत नहीं है. If you have that much income, pay surcharge. If not, not required. As simple as it. Firms LLPs total income 100 crores है, फिर भी surcharge 12% ही है. Fix. Depends upon how much you are earning. That is also important. No? See, there are no concept of individuals making more money, companies making less money. That days are gone. See, if you think company is better, you create a company and run the show. It's not mandatory that you have to run business on individual name only, no? Is it mandatory anything like that? See, did law ever tell you, अगर आप अकेले बंदे तो अकेले बिजनेस करना पड़ेगा? पार्टनरशिप फर्म बनाओ. अगर आपको लगता है आपका बिजनेस ज्यादा होगा, टोटल इनकम ज्यादा होने वाला है, तो go for partnership firm. Surcharge is 12% only, no? Because there imagine if your total income is 6 crore, their surcharge is what rate? 37. But here is what rate? 12%. Calculate. ऐसा टैक्स का तो कितना आ रहा है, ऐसा कर तो कितना आ रहा है. Then create an organization accordingly. मतलब ठीक है, आप और मैं मिलकर पार्टनरशिप बनाए. When the firm is making profit, when the firm is paying tax, partner will not pay tax again on the same profit. Partnership is one and the same. Company अलग है. Company is a danger kind of organization because company, the biggest problem with the company is that company will pay tax on the profits what they get. On the profits what they get, they give dividend to shareholders. On the dividend, shareholders should pay tax again. That is the biggest problem in company, where company will pay tax. After paying tax, whatever profit is left out, they'll give dividend to shareholders. Shareholders should pay tax again on dividend. That is one biggest flaw and the biggest problem in case of companies. You getting my point? Vinod sir is not a partner and expert. Vinod sir is shareholder and expert and director and expert. Yeah. दोनों पे मतलब expert is paying tax on their profit. Vinod sir is paying tax on his income. I already told you 2 transactions are different, boss. When you pay fees to expert, there is income to expert. When expert is paying to faculty, there is income to faculty. दोनों अलग अलग transactions है ना यार. आप ऐसे क्यों सोच रहे कि दो बार टैक्स आ रहे विनोद सर को, बेचारे 2 बार टैक्स पे कर रहे. अरे 2 जगह कमा रहे भाई. जो कंपनी बना रहे कंपनी टैक्स पे कर रहा है, जो इंडिविजुअल कमा रहे इंडिविजुअल टैक्स पे कर रहा है भाई. सर नो, आप शाम में पूछो मत सर से, सर 2 बार टैक्स पे कर रहे सर, आपको देखे तो बुरा लग रहा है हमको. So are we getting clarity, everybody? See, expert is paying tax on the profit experts get, correct? And faculty is paying tax on the remuneration faculty will get. दोनों अलग अलग ट्रांजेक्शन है ना बॉस. सुजल, मैं आपको एक बात बोलता हूँ, सुनो ध्यान से, ठीक है? Expert is making some profit on which expert is paying tax, correct or not? Right. When expert is paying remuneration to Vinod sir, me, everybody, that remuneration what they pay is booked as expense in expert books of accounts. That means उतना income कम करे ना, बोलना है भाई, तो मतलब कम पे टैक्स पे करे ना एक्सपर्ट, और जो खर्चा वो बुक करे वो मेरे लिए इनकम है ना यार. Expense for one person is income for another person. Debit all expenses, credit all incomes. I'm not in a mood to teach accounts, so समझ में आना तेरे को? तो मैं कन्विंस हो गया ना? Done. Yes बेटा. Same. In income tax, there is no difference between firms and LLPs. Tax rates are same. Tax rate is same. अरे क्या हुआ यार, समझ में आ रहा नहीं आ रहा है, बोलो ना यार, इतना उदास क्यों बैठे आप लोग? आधे लोग तो सोचते बैठ गए इंडिविजुअल अच्छा है, फर्म अच्छा है, एंड हाफ ऑफ देम आर बिजी इन कैलकुलेटर ओनली. सीधा 30%. अच्छा इतना कमाए तो फर्म अच्छा है, ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है. अच्छा इतना कमाए तो इंडिविजुअल अच्छा है, ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है. गुड, योर ब्रेन इज वर्किंग गुड, आई एम हैप्पी फॉर इट. ठीक है, कैन आई प्रोसीड? चलो भाई, इन सिंपल टर्म्स इफ आई हैव टू लुक एट द सरचार्ज चार्ट, individual, HUF, AOP, BOI, and for this AOP, I'll put one star mark. That is AOP consisting of only companies as members. Third category, firm, LLP, लोकल अथॉरिटी. ठीक है ना बेटा? टिल आई डिड नॉट टीच यू अबाउट कंपनीज. बाद में बात करते हैं उसका, अलग कहानी है कंपनी का स्टोरी, बिल्कुल अलग है. नेक्स्ट, आई जस्ट टोल्ड यू अबाउट व्हाट सर? कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी. बोलो बेटा, सच कितना है ये फर्स्ट कैटेगरी में? मोर देन 50 लाख डज नॉट एक्सीड 1 crore, 10%. मोर देन 1 crore डज नॉट एक्सीड 2 crores. More than 2 crore does not exceed 5 crores. More than 5 crores. Correct, my dear friends? Excluding dividend 112, 112A, 111A. I write section number. If I'm writing section number, is that clear for all of us? पता है ना section numbers क्या है वो? When we know section number, we'll know the answer, man. That's it. Next, AOP consisting of only companies as members. बोलो बेटा. Total income more than 1 crore. Oh my God. बुक में क्या देख रहा भाई? लिखे ही नहीं अभी तक हम लोग. Greater than 50 lakh does not exceed 1 crore. 10%. Greater than 1 crore, 15%. यहाँ पे लिखे थे, लिखे ऑलरेडी? ओके, वेरी गुड, फाइन. ओके ओके ओके. नेक्स्ट, फर्म, LLP, लोकल अथॉरिटी. इफ टोटल इनकम इज मोर देन 1 crore, then what rate, my dear friends? This table is surcharge table, not tax table. I'm preparing a small table for your comfort, boss. इसका क्या सीन है? More than 1 crore does not exceed 10 crores, 7%. More than 10 crores, 12%. सर क्लियर है? सबको समझ में आई है? So with this discussion, my dear friends, I have closed the topic of surcharge and tax rate for all kind of persons except that we'll talk separately. That will talk separately. When means later. Time will come. अपना टाइम आएगा. स्टूडेंट सब भी बोल दो ना, सब भी बोल दो भाई. एक साथ ना लाइफ में लेना नहीं चाहिए. सबका अपना अपना मजे होते हैं भाई. To be faced manner. अरे थोड़ा सोच कम कर भाई. लिखना है ऑब्वियसली. दिस ऑल्सो वेट राइट. नो, अरे यार हो गया अभी तक, समझ में आया क्या? अरे अब लिखने में ही हो यार, मेरे को जवाब दो यार. वेरी गुड, कम ऑन. व्हाट इज द टैक्स रेट फॉर पार्टनरशिप फर्म? %12. ओ माय गॉड, 30%. अरे बुक में क्या ढूंढ रहे यार, अभी तक लिखे ही नहीं. पार्टनरशिप फर्म कब लिख लिया क्या आप लोग? ओ माय गॉड. ओके, व्हाट इज द टैक्स रेट फॉर एक्सपर्ट? टमाटर 30%. मैं कब बोला यार? बोला क्या अभी तक? मैंने पढ़ा है क्या अभी तक वो? इट्स अ कंपनी बॉस. स्टूडेंट इज टेलिंग, हाउ शुड वी नो इट्स अ कंपनी और नॉट? इन द नेम they'll write no private limited. यार बोलना बेटा. What is the tax rate for LLP? Local authority, cooperative society, Up to 10,000, 10%. 10,000 or 20,000, 20%. Above 20,000, what is the tax rate for individual super senior citizen? 10, 20%. Above 10, 30%. टमाटर यार इंडिविजुअल क्या है सर, कुछ भी नहीं। इतना क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करें ना, इसके लिए ऐसा फीलिंग है उफ, ये भी आ जाएगा, नो प्रॉब्लम। आर वी क्लियर? चलो टेक इट बॉस, टेक, टुक, टेकन, टेक इट। ये लिखे आप ऑलरेडी? हाँ ठीक है, लिख लो। कॉर्पोरेट सोसाइटी प्रैक्टिकली सरचार्ज पे करता ही नहीं यार, करोड़ रुपए कब कमाएगा कॉर्पोरेट सोसाइटी? If they are formed as society, then yes. The corporate society का एक एक्ट होता है. If they are registered under corporate societies act, then yes. Industrial investment banks. That depends upon how they are registered. If they are registered as a company, they'll go under company. If they are registered as cooperative society, it will come under here. Generally, a lot of banks are registered as companies only because we know that they are traded on stock exchange. They are public companies. Axis Bank, HSBC, HDFC, they're all traded. IDBI, S Bank. ऊपर बस स्क्रीन ऊपर सर 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 बस इस एक्सेस का टेबल समझ गया ना बेटा? दिस टेबल कवर्स एवरीबॉडी एक्सेप्ट कंपनीज। कंपनीज अलग से बात करेंगे। Depends upon how they are registered. If they are registered as company, company में जाएंगे. Registered as society, तो society में जाएंगे. हाँ मैं तो आपको वही बोल रहा हूँ. It depends upon how they are registered. छोड़ो यार, मैं फ्रेम से बाहर हो जाता हूँ. 112, 112A, 111A समझ गए ना बेटा? बहुत खतरनाक सेक्शन है यार, तोड़. Some student is asking, what if extra tax is equal to extra income? Marginal if आएगा क्या बेटा? नहीं. Marginal if will come only when extra tax is more than extra income. What if you have extra income, extra tax? दोनों में 10 रुपए का फर्क है. मतलब 10 रुपए टैक्स ज्यादा है, इनकम ज्यादा है, टैक्स ज्यादा है, तो आएगा ना रिलीफ। हाँ करना पड़ेगा ना यार। अरे 10 रुपए यार, वड़ा पाव मिलता है यार, नहीं मिलता क्या? एक चॉकलेट मिलेगा यार, एक चाय मिलेगा यार, इससे बड़ी चीज क्या हो सकती है यार? यू लाइक टी, कॉफी, फिल्टर कॉफी? Only tea, coffee, nothing else. Green tea. Oh my God. बोला भाई, क्या हो बेटा? सब लोग चिल कर रहे, मतलब हो गया लिखना? ये तो नहीं बोल रहे। सर हो गया क्या लिखना? तो बोलना है यार। कैन वी प्रोसीड? डन। नाउ समझ में आया नहीं आया बोलना यार। इज सच्चा कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस? टेल मी गाइस, व्हाट इज द रेट ऑफ सरचार्ज फॉर पार्टनरशिप फर्म्स? कंट्रोल शिवा, कंट्रोल, रिलैक्स शिवा, रिलैक्स। शिवरात्रि छोड़ दे, ठीक है। व्हाट इज द रेट ऑफ सरचार्ज फॉर एलएलपीस? वंडरफुल। कुछ क्वेश्चन है इधर? सर व्हाट अबाउट बीसीसीआई? Oh wow. BCCI is actually a board of control for cricket in India. Basically, it depends upon what kind of organization they are registered under. If they have created a company, it will be called as a company. If they have created a society, it will come as society. It all depends upon what form of organization they have created. Based on that, we will tax them. Clear, friends? And if you ask me, sir, अगर समझो कोई organization बना ही नहीं, तो लेके आओ AOP, BO, AJP के अंदर, कहीं ना कहीं तो लेके आना पड़ेगा ना यार। NP, non-profit organizations, even that can be formed as a company. For information, in company law, in companies, I mean in law class you will learn there is something called Section 8 company. अच्छा already पढ़े आप लोग? कब? Foundation में था already. तो NGO also can be a company, no? NGO, NPO can be a company also. If it is registered as company, it will come under company. If they are registered as a trust, it will come under AOPs. See, what happens is all these NGOs, NPOs, they create a trust which will come under AOP. And for trust, there is a different exemptions altogether. They don't pay tax. Which one? A trust you can bring under AJP, but the problem in trust is that we don't pay tax in trust. There's a tremendous exemptions given for trust. This is there completely in detail for you at CA final level. AJP also. फिर मतलब exemption क्या है पूछ रहे क्या आप? For trust, there is a specific exemptions given in the law, which you will learn in your CA final. Trust don't pay tax practically. That's the reason why I said, madam, let me tell you one point. If trust starts paying tax in India, highest taxpayer in India will be Tirupati temple. No doubt about it. बाकी सब कुछ भी नहीं, सब पकड़ लोगे. I mean, due respect to individuals in India, even Mukesh Ambani also will not be sufficient. That much tax will be paid by the temple. That much huge revenue comes to the temple on daily basis. Daily 4 to 5 crores will come, joke or what? So this religious trust only, no? So this religious trust, so even Shirdi temple, it's titled as SST, Sri Shirdi Sai Sansthan Trust. They also don't pay tax because they have got exemptions. What exemptions they have? It is there for you in CA final. But they're actually called as AJP, Artificial Juridical Person. Got getting it, no? There are tax rates, but they have got some exemptions, subject to some conditions. Now tell me, I'm telling you very clearly that exemption is there, subject to some conditions. What if conditions are not fulfilled? They'll become taxable. How will you tax them? Using these tax rates. Got the clarity? Done. Friends, are we clear? Come on, what is the tax rate for partnership firm? LLP. Tax rates for AJP. Slab rate. AJP, which is created 65 years back. विच कैटेगरी? स्लैब रेट, सीनियर. अच्छा, आप एजेपी को एओपी को भी बोलेंगे सीनियर सुपर सीनियर, मतलब 80 साल पुराना हो गया तो सुपर सीनियर बोलेंगे. क्या मजाक कर रहे हो यार. Exactly. What is the tax rate for cooperative society? Up to 10,000, 10%, 10 to 20,000, above 20,000. Good. One more question has come. If AOP consists of both companies as well as individual, then what surcharge rates are applicable? It will come under normal surcharge rates. Second surcharge special category, what I told you, is only in case where AOP is consisting of only companies as its members. बता था ना बेटा? लिखे ना 10%, 15%. That is only in case where AOP is consisting of only companies as its members. कोई और है तो normal में जाएगा. Clear है? One more interesting question. IPL will come under which category? IPL will come under an artificial body only. Sir, if sir, one point logic you have to understand. If something is not coming under a partnership firm, something is not coming under a company, it will come under AOP or BOI or AJP. Simple. You might ask, कुछ फर्क पड़ता क्या सर AOP BOI में जाएगा या गलती से हम AOP को AJP बोलेंगे कुछ फर्क पड़ेगा क्या? टैक्स रेट तो सेम ही है ना यार. टैक्स रेट तो सेम ही ना यार. सच्चर भी तो सेम है. Everybody getting clarity? That's it. Take Chamber of Commerce. They are all like what do you call associations, registered associations. They generally create a kind of societies. They are all society registered, but practically these guys don't pay tax. I'll tell you reason why. I'll give a small example. Since you asked that question, Chamber of Commerce, Lions Club, Rotary Club, ये सब नाम सुने ना? These guys don't pay tax. I'll tell the reason why. Imagine I created one club, sections and subsections club. Okay? And in that all of you guys have become members. Everyone have paid 100 rupees. And I collected 1 lakh. Out of 1 lakh what I collected, I have spent 80,000 for organizing programs, seminars, practical issues, all that we have done. अपने लिए करें ना, अपन पैसे दिए और अपने लिए spend करें. Balance 20,000 left out. Is that called profit? That's called surplus. Technically, in accounts, in group 1, you learn something called non-trading concerns. They are called as non-trading concerns because there are associations which we only formed, we only give money, and we are only enjoying. Balance, what is left is not profit, it's surplus. Apna hi paisa hai bhai. Yes, sir, speak out, sir. For example, sir, I've got some Paytm balance. I go to one theater, I pay through Paytm. Scanning. Popcorn, what not? Popcorn, chips, water bottle, fries, everything I've taken. Can I tell, जेब से पैसे 1 रुपए भी खर्च नहीं हुआ, फ्री में आ गया. अरे पैसे तो पेटीएम से गए, मतलब पैसा तो क्या है ना यार. Friends, yes or no, my dear friends? So that's the whole point. When we are using the money, our money has gone. So in the same way, when association is formed, we only give money to association. So whatever profit is coming, association will not pay tax. Surplus from a mutual activity is not taxable. What a line. I repeat again. क्या बोला मैंने? Surplus from mutual activity is not taxable. Getting clarity? I will give a classic example since you asked that doubt. In apartment societies, they will form one housing society association. सब लोग मेंटेनेंस देते ना सर. जो बचेगा पैसा खर्चा होने के बाद उसको प्रॉफिट बोल के टैक्स पे करते क्या? अरे अपन जो पैसा दिया अपने लिए यूज कर रहे हैं, जो बच गया उसको क्या बोलेंगे? सरप्लस. अगले साल यूज करेंगे, टैक्स थोड़ी ना पे करेंगे. प्रेस्टेज पॉइंट प्रेमाइसेस कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी, ये बिल्डिंग में है जो आपको लिफ्ट के बाहर लिखे ना, नॉट फॉर स्टूडेंट्स, वही है सोसाइटी वाले लिखे. गेटिंग क्लैरिटी एवरीबॉडी? बोलो ना यार बेटा. Done. So that is the story of individual HUF, company AOP, individual HUF, AOP, BOI, AJP. We are still yet to talk about companies that I not teach today, later. But today I have to solve some questions. Are we ready? Can I proceed? Break चाहिए क्या? हाँ ठीक है, ले लो. Take a break and come back. मजा आ गया. बेटा समझ गया ना चैम्बर ऑफ कॉमर्स का कहानी? ग्रिपिंग है बहुत. ये वाला बेकार लगता वो देखने के बाद ऑब्वियसली. और मुझे पता है फिर कभी देखा मैं. तेलुगु में देखा है वेंकटेश का. अरे मैंने तो वैसे बहुत मूवीज देखा है तमिल के भी, और तमिल के भी बहुत मूवीज देखा मैंने सब टाइटल्स के साथ. इतना खुश क्यों है यार. चलो शैल वी स्टार्ट बेटा. पहले आज बहुत ज्यादा ब्रेक दे दिया मैंने, आधी घंटा ब्रेक दिया आज. अच्छा ब्रेक लेट हुआ क्या? ओह ओके. चलो get back guys, come on. So friends, I hope we got a good clarity on this concept of surcharge. Everybody please reply, come on all of us. Chalo my dear friends, tell me what is the answer for section 27, 28, 29, 225A, 229C, maximum marginal rate. लिखे ना हम लोग, कल पढ़े थे, आज लिखे थे और अभी रिवाइज कर रहे. वंडरफुल. 231%, 234, section 3, section 4, section 5. Oh no, not yet over. Second chapter. Control. Section 4, 87A, 288A, 288B, 172, shipping business of non-resident, 173, control, don't leave India, wait, 174, persons permanently leaving India, persons leaving India permanently or for long time, 174A, AOP, BOI, AJP, formed for short duration or purpose, 175, persons likely to transfer property to avoid tax, 176, discontinued business, 115BB, 115BB, unexplained incomes, investment, expenditure. explain करो भाई, unexplained है तो हो गया तुम्हारा काम. 60%, 25%, 4%, पूरा मिलके 112. जनरल रेट फॉर लॉन्ग टर्म कैपिटल गेन्स कितना है भाई? 112A. बोलो. लॉन्ग टर्म कैपिटल equity shares or units of equity oriented mutual fund or units of business trust through recognized stock exchange on which STT is paid. It is taxed at the rate of 10% on amount exceeding 1 lakh. Same case 111A. Directly 15%. बोलो यार. और क्या सेक्शंस करें हम लोग? और भी करें यार सेक्शंस. वो जरूरत नहीं है, छोड़ दो. सेक्शन 14. Heads of income. कितने heads of income? 5 heads of income. What are those 5? House property, PGBP, capital gains, other sources. अगर इसका भी आंसर नहीं आ रहा है तो एक सॉल्यूशन है, डायरेक्टली ओपन दैट विंडो एंड जंप फ्रॉम देयर. मैंने नहीं बोला कुछ भी, ये मेरे पे ध्यान लेकर लड़ी है ये. Come on, what is section 80? GGB. Company to political party. याद है ना बीजेपी? हाँ कमल, हाँ वंडरफुल. 80 GGC. Other than company to political party. 80C. उसमें 1 पॉइंट 2 पॉइंट पता है अपने को. Life insurance, tuition fees for 2 children for full time education. And 80C का टोटल लिमिट कितना है? वो 80C का लिमिट है, उस पर 10-15 पॉइंट है, पूरा पॉइंट्स मिलकर 1,50,000 है. 80D क्या है? कितना है लिमिट? 25,000. सीनियर सिटीजन. Then 80TTA. इंटरेस्ट ऑन सेविंग्स बैंक अकाउंट फॉर नॉन सीनियर सिटीजन कितना है? इंटरेस्ट ऑन 10,000 whichever is lower. 80TTB. इंटरेस्ट ऑन सेविंग्स बैंक अकाउंट एंड फिक्स्ड डिपॉजिट फॉर सीनियर सिटीजन कितना है? इंटरेस्ट ऑन 50,000 whichever is lower. दोस्तों क्लियर है? Everybody sir, all of us my dear friends. Wonderful. Your good name sir? Monish. Monish ये पार्ट बता दो क्या है? What are this? Tell me.
party,
Hmm.
person to political party,
Hmm.
life insurance and tuition fees for 2 children,
Hmm.
medical insurance,
कितना लिमिट?
25,000 or 50,000.
ठीक है, TTA.
ये interest on savings bank account, deduction होगा interest और 10,000 whichever is lower.
Excellent. TTV.
Interest on savings bank account on fixed deposit और deduction होगा interest और 50,000 whichever is lower.
Fantastic. Good. Huge round of applause, please. Come on. Very good. Chalo, next. Dost. Ready? Yes? Tell me answer for this. ओए ओए रेट बोल क्या आएगा उसमें कैश इनकम में? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन टू यू ओनली. इन्वेस्टमेंट्स. टैक्स रेट भाई, टैक्स रेट. Yes. Yes. Right. Very good. Good.
General rates 20% for long-term capital.
Good.
112A long-term capital gains for equity shares on sale of equity shares, units of equity-oriented mutual funds, units of business trusts sold through recognized stock exchange, on which STT is paid and taxable at the rate of 10% on an amount above 1 lakh.
Very good. Next.
111A same but for short-term capital gain and tax rate is 15%.
Good.
Section 14 is 5 heads of income.
Excellent. Applause, please. Very good. Good, man. Good. Chalo. Now, who will tell the answer for this? बोल दोस्त.
Section 27 RCC.
Definition बोल. Who will tell the associate definition perfectly? सात्विक बोलो. घुमाओ बेटा, बुक घुमाओ देखो, अभी पढ़ो फटाफट बोलो. What man, Satvik? Karthik, come on.
Necessary is any person who is liable to pay tax and includes any person against whom proceedings have been initiated.
Hmm? Okay, same. Chal.
Any person in respect to whom proceedings have been taken up for assessment of this income and includes any person and includes income or income of any other person in respect to which he is assessable.
Very good.
So refund due to him or such other person, a loss sustained by him or such other person, and any person who is deemed to be an assessee and assessing default.
Who is assessing default?
Assessing default who has not paid TDS or who has not paid tax or advance tax, who has not done TDS and who has done TDS but not paid to government.
Wonderful, man. Very good. Appreciate. Excellent. Come on. All of us together. Come on. Who is assessee? Assessee means any person liable to pay tax and includes every person in respect of whom proceedings have been taken up for assessment of his income or income of any other person in respect of which he is assessable, loss sustained by him or such other person, or refund due to him or such other person. Next. Every person who is deemed to be an assessee. Last one. Assassin. Clear, no? Sujal, what is 28? Bol. Process. Oh my God. Process नहीं है, procedure.
Assessment officer
Assess. Assess.
the income of the assessee.
Wonderful. Good. Next. 29. ये सब लोग बोलेंगे. 225A. बेटा बोलो इंडिया के. सी बेड्स क्या है? सी बेड, सी बेड्स क्या होता है बेटा? सी बेड, दैट्स ऑल. हाँ
Such water.
हाँ, वंडरफुल.
Continental shelf, exclusive economic zone, airspace over territory and territorial.
Wonderful, very good. Good. 229 C. Maximum margin. 231. 234. Section 3. Section 4. 87A. 288A. 288B. Section 4. How many exceptions are there? What is the last one? First one. Third one. AOP, BOI, AJP formed for short duration or purpose. Fourth one. Persons likely to transfer property to avoid tax. Second one. Persons leaving India permanently or for long time. Student is asking, ये ऊपर नीचे लिखे तो problem है क्या exam में? नहीं है भाई, but our perfection is perfection only, no? Sir, God has given us a great brain boss, and it is proven fact that we are all using only 3% of our brain capacity. Not joking, serious. 3 है ऑप्शन अपने पास, तीनों में से कुछ तो यूज करो यार. सेरिब्रम, सेरिबेलम, मेडुला ऑब्लोंगेटा, पता है ना 3 है. इसलिए कॉमर्स लिए, मैं भी इसलिए कॉमर्स लिया, पर इतना तो सीखा आपको बोलने के लिए, आपको बोलने के लिए. अरे ब्रेन में 3 पार्ट्स होते हैं ना भाई, ये भी नहीं मालूम क्या? स्कूल में तो था ना ये. समझ रहे हैं? छोड़ो यार वो सब, ठीक है छोड़ दो वो सब. समझ में आ रहा है क्या सर? So let me tell you honestly, God has given us a great brain to all of us. We can definitely remember. And one more point, let me tell you, it is not mandatory that you have to write section number in the exam. But if you write section number also in the exam, the person who's correcting paper, imagine how he will feel. सर मैं आपसे पूछा कि what are the exceptions section 4, आप आके सट 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 172, 174, 174, 175, 176, कैसा लगेगा सर सामने वाले को? जिसको आता है उसको लगेगा अरे क्या मस्त बोला है यार, जिसको नहीं आता उसको तो बेशरम फील करेगा, वो बोलेगा यार कुछ भी नहीं आता यार मुझे, उसका तो लिटरली हो गया ना यार उधर, आप बलात्कार हो गया यार. I'm sure ऑलरेडी आप लोग, बहुत लोग आपके दोस्तों से पूछे होंगे ये सेक्शन बोल, ये सेक्शन बोल, और जब वो आंसर नहीं दिया आपको तो इतना खुशी हुआ होगा. मिला ना खुशी? I know, I expected that. So, I mean, all said and done, the reason why I focus on section numbers is because CA final section numbers are mandatory in exam also. In articleship, you use section numbers. And to revise for us, section numbers are the key. वरना कैसा रिवाइज करेंगे? And you cannot tell no long term capital gains STT paid उसका अलग, क्या है ये? Except dividend 112, 112 है, 111 है, और चारों का 15% मैक्सिमम है. हो गया ना कहानी खत्म? बेटा बोलो, सबको क्लियर है यहां तक? Excellent. Let's start discussing some questions. This is your module 1. प्रीफेस में लास्ट पॉइंट जो है वो तो पढ़ लो. ए टैक्स प्रोविजन ए डे, एग्जैक्टली, ठीक है ना? कब तक एप्पल डॉक्टर बोलते रहेंगे? सर इन दिस मॉड्यूल यू हैव गॉट अबाउट 7 टॉपिक्स. दैट इज योर सैलरीज, हाउस प्रॉपर्टी, PGBP is there in this module. Other sources, capital gains, clubbing, set off, deductions, all that will come in module 2. Module 2 will be comparatively little less size compared to module 1, and you'll also get a question answer book which I told you, but that will come little later, not now. ठीक है? So let's start discussing some questions from your module 1, that is your basic concepts. We look at the material later on, but let's start looking at some questions. But before we look at some questions, my dear friends, a small correction is there in the material. There is a small typographical error in page number 15. Just rectify that error, small error in the material. This is 5%. Page number 15 at 2 places. 2.5 to 5 lakh is 5% only, no? Guys, so a small typographical error, rectify that. Ultimately, whatever we write in the class, that is only full and final. That is supreme. Clear? Done. चलो, let's start. अरे सर एक छोटा सा कॉन्सेप्ट था, एक बार सुन लो, फिर अपन आगे बढ़ते। सर क्या हो बेटा? 2.5 to 5 लाख 5% है ना बेटा? बुक में गलती से 10% प्रिंट हो गया, जब चेक कर लेना प्लीज। चलो लिसन बेटा, कम ऑन सर, लिसन केयरफुली, कम ऑन कॉन्संट्रेट। कार्तिक, Satvik, what is your age? 19. Which year you were born? 2004. Okay. Sir, when you say that a student is born on particular date or a person is born on particular date, when do you say first year is completed? After first birthday. First birthday तो क्या बोलेंगे? Newborn baby. Oh. 6 months, 8 months in the same way. For example, a person is 19 years old. Next year he will become 20 years old. Whatever he crossed, that only he will tell no 19 years. Speak out. For next 11 months, he will tell 19, 19, 19, 19 only. After the birthday is done, he will start telling 20, 20, 20, 20. Yes or no? Now, one small point. We know the story of senior citizen, super senior citizen. पता है ना अपने को? Who is senior citizen? Who is 60 years and above? Above 60, 60 and above. Super senior? 80 and above. This 60 and above, 80 and above could be any time during previous year.
Yes, sir.
Any time during? That means in the previous year, if his 60th birthday is done, we'll call him as senior citizen. If his 80th birthday is done, super senior citizen. समझ में आ रहा है क्या? But there could be some special kind of people who are born on 1st April. Anybody here? No? Wonderful. What they told in the law is, if you are born on 1st April, we will treat as if you have completed 60 years or 80 years on 31st March only. अरे सुनो मेरी बात, सुन लो भाई ध्यान से. There is one crazy fellow, Mr. A. Okay? His birthday is on 1st April. Assume 1st April 2023 is his 60th birthday.
Yes, sir. Okay.
समझ में आया क्या? अरे बोलना भाई, अपना एग्जाम के लिए असेसमेंट कौन सा है? 23, 24. प्रीवियस ईयर कौन सा है? ये तो पता है ना अपने को यार, बोलना बेटा. नाउ टेल मी, प्रीवियस ईयर 22, 23, व्हाट इज हिज एज? 59, because 60th birthday is on 1st April. But law told, don't worry, we will treat as if your 60th birthday is on 31st March. Enjoy. Enjoy मतलब 2.5 लाख की जगह 3 लाख हो जाएगा. यार समझ में आ रहा है बेटा? सबको क्लियर है ये बात? Now let's see what I printed in our material. See here. A person born on which date beta? 1st April. Who is having materials? Please underline. Who is not having, please share with your friends and collect it soon. A person born on 1st April would be considered to have attained a particular age on which day? 31st March. The day preceding the anniversary of his birthday. समझ में आ रहा है क्या? बेटा बोलो. Next line you see. Therefore, a resident individual whose 60th birthday falls on what? 1st April 2023 would be treated as having attained the age of 60 years in previous year 22, 23 and would be eligible for a higher exemption limit of 3 lakhs in computing tax liability for AY 23, 24. Likewise, in the same manner, a resident individual whose 80th birthday, which birthday beta? If it falls on 1st April, we will treat as if on 31st March and enjoy 5 lakhs exemption. I hope we got this concept बेटा. समझ में आया ना? 1st April को बर्थडे है तो हम ऐसा मानेंगे कि भाई 1st April को फिर भी हम ट्रीट करेंगे, 31st March को हो गया, एंजॉय कर 3 लाख एग्जाम्शन या एंजॉय कर 5 लाख एग्जाम्शन. So this concept is only for those who have completed 50, 59, entering 60, completed 89, sorry, completed 79 and entering 80. For people like all of us, what difference it makes? There is a long way to go. Correct? No, we all are too young. अरे बोलना यार. Clear everybody? चलो, can we proceed? चलो, open page number 22. बोलो.
सीनियर भी हुआ तो उसकी एज तो
29th Feb will treat us 28th Feb only. उतना तो बेनिफिट देंगे यार, बेचारा 4 साल में एक बार उसका बर्थडे होगा. मेरा एक दोस्त है एक्चुअली जिसका 29th Feb का बर्थडे है क्या आपका दोस्त कोई? ओह, उसका 4 साल में एक साथ पार्टी लेते हैं हम लोग. अच्छा, हर साल लेते हैं पार्टी आप लोग? हम लोग 4 साल का मिलकर एक साथ ले लेते हैं और नेक्स्ट लेवल सरचार्ज ऐड करके लेते हैं पार्टी. चलो, लेट्स स्टार्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, कम ऑन. आर वी रेडी? Can we look at the question number 1? Friends, are we ready? Come on, what is the question? X starts what beta? New business. On which date? March 29, 2022. That means which year? Which previous year he started a business? बोलो बेटा 21, 22. बराबर है ना? He closes down first set of books of accounts on 31st March 23. Oh my God. 21, 22 में business start किया, but he closed business on 31st March 23. He wants that income generated during should be chargeable to tax for AY 23-24. Is he legally correct? Is he legally correct? That's a question. Bolo. Speak out. Is he legally correct? 100% answer is no. I'll tell the reason why. When did he start business? 29th March 22. बराबर है ना? That means he has to close the books of accounts on 31st March 22, which will become PY 21-22, for which AY will be 22-23. Friends, yes or no? I repeat once again, listen very clearly, then we'll ask a doubt. Listen carefully, sir. When did he start the business? 29th March 22. Books of accounts should always be closed on 31st March. तो 29 मार्च 22 को बिजनेस चालू हुआ तो 31 मार्च 22 को बुक्स क्लोज करना पड़ेगा ना यार. नेक्स्ट ईयर का अलग फ्रेश बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट स्टार्ट होगा ना यार. तो 29 मार्च 22 से लेके 31 मार्च 22 तक 3 दिन ही है, बट जो भी है बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट अलग होना चाहिए ना. दैट विच प्रीवियस ईयर 21, 22. असेसमेंट क्या होगा उसको? बट ये भाई साहब क्या कर रहे हैं, पूरा का पूरा लेके जा रहे 23, 24 में. वो गलत है ना यार. स्पीक आउट बेटा. इज इट लीगली करेक्ट नाउ? दैट्स अ क्वेश्चन. दिस केम इन एग्जाम ऑन टाइम फॉर 2 marks. How to present, we'll write. क्वेश्चन समझ में आया क्या? Everybody please speak out. Yes my dear friend. If business is commenced after September, there is a concept of 15 months closure of books of accounts, which is only in your Companies Act, but not in your Income Tax Act. Income Tax Act says, even though you start business on 30th March, for 30th and 31st 2 days, maintain separate books of accounts. That is Companies Act, there is Income Tax. Both are different. वो है, ये है. वो ये नहीं है, ये वो नहीं है. I think I got you from where you are coming. I understood that question, but this is the answer. Clear now? बोलो बेटा. 2 दिन कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकता मतलब? समझा नहीं इसका क्वेश्चन में? वापस बोलो. अच्छा, 2 दिन बिजनेस कर रहा क्यों? नेक्स्ट बाद में चालू कर सकता है. अरे 2 दिन बड़ा ऑर्डर आया भाई. अरे ऑलवेज कीप इन माइंड यार, नेवर क्वेश्चन द ओनली प्रोसीड. हेलो स्टार्ट. हाँ मैडम. कंपनी रहता फिर भी आंसर सेम ही रहता. अरे तुम कंपनी एक्ट का जवाब मत दो यार. दिस इज टैक्स क्लास. टैक्स only tax. Companies Act, Companies class, I mean law class, you ask answer as per your Companies Act, but he will answer as per Income Tax Act, no? That's clear? Chalo, should we start? Yes. I did not tell you presentation how to write the. आप लोग सीखे ना अकाउंट्स में? For comfort you can put your box. मर्जी आपका. Question number, page number and all. Chalo, start writing the answer. X is not legally correct. X is not legally correct. Full stop. Next line. New business is started on. New business is started on 29th March 22. 29th March, what beta? 22. Full stop. Accordingly, comma, he must to close the books of accounts. He must close the books of accounts. Accordingly, he must close the books of accounts on 31st March 22. And the income during previous year 21-22 and the income during previous year 21-22 shall be chargeable to tax. Income during previous year 21-22 shall be chargeable to tax in assessment year 22-23. बेटा बराबर है? Everybody, sir, speak out. Full stop. For next year, comma, books of accounts should be maintained separately. For next year, books of accounts should be maintained separately. Done. Are we clear with this question? So we will answer only as per income tax, not as per Companies Act. सबको समझ में आया? Solve question number 2. You solve it. I will not help. So second question, gross total income of X, a resident age कितना बेटा? For previous year 22-23 comprises of salary income and interest on savings bank. Compute his tax liability for 23-24, assuming that he deposited 50,000 in public provident fund. Whenever amount is deposited in PPF, that also deduction will come under 80C only. 80C में 3 point हो गया अभी. क्या है 3 point? Life insurance, tuition fees for 2 children for full time education. तीसरा PPF provident fund. समझ में आ गया? Solve करेंगे आप लोग? करिए. Please solve. 2 minutes time. नहीं क्यों करेंगे? It's payment based, no? Is it income based or payment based? Payment based. Deductions are of 2 types: income based, payment based. Your heading should be like this: computation of tax liability of Mr. क्या है बेटा? X for assessment year 23-24. Particulars. Amount in rupees. We have a rupees symbol also, no, for country. अपने पास भी है ना symbol एक. Done. कितना टैक्स? Hmm. 2 marks. हो गया? चलो, what is the income we have got? Salaries income 5 lakh, 5,000. Then what else? Interest on savings bank account. कितना बेटा? By the way, what is your answer out of tax payable? 0? Sure. How much is gross total income? 5 lakh 13,000. Less deductions under chapter 6A. क्या लेंगे बेटा? 80C contribution to PPF कितना है? Then 80 TTA interest on savings account कितना है? What is the balance figure? So my total income is 4,55,000. बराबर है बेटा? Friends, speak out. 4,55,000. So when I'm trying to calculate tax up to 2.5 lakh, कितना बेटा? Nil. 2.5 lakh to 4.55 lakh at the rate of 5%. 10,250. Total 10,000 less rebate under section 87A. Why rebate has come? Total income does not exceed 5 lakh. So rebate is tax payable at 12,500, whichever is lower. Net tax payable is nil. I strongly believe we got clarity on this question. Some students in exam, what silly mistakes they are doing is they are adding HEC. Some students' silly mistake is that they are not taking rebate, saying that gross total income is more than 5 lakh. For rebate, we are not concerned with gross total income. We are concerned with total income. Correct, right? Yes. Friends, please speak out. Ja. Everybody finished writing? Next question क्या है बेटा? ये solve करो यार. Solve it. Solve question number 3. Who are not having book, share with your friends and collect it soon. Online students, Monday will be last on YouTube. From Tuesday, class will be on Expert app. So please take note of it. हो गया?
Sir, will round off after calculating HCC.
Yeah, of course. Say done? Yeah, there are two parts of the question. Yes. EBIT, what is EBIT? 59 years means which category? वैसे इनकम कितना दिया मैंने 14 लाख? Okay. Up to 2.5 lakhs. Nil. 2.5 lakh to 5 lakh at the rate of 5%. 5 lakh to 10 lakh 20%. 1 lakh. About 10 lakh 30%. कितना है बेटा? 1 lakh 443. Total 2 lakhs 78,000. Add what? Surcharge. Surcharge आएगा क्या? क्यों? Less than 50 lakhs. Very good. What is HEC full form? Please. How much is that? Two lakh.
We won't round off that total income.
कौन सा? इनकम तो राउंड ऑफ करेंगे ना बेटा. इनकम तो ऑलरेडी राउंडेड ऑफ है ना क्वेश्चन में. हो गया? If it is 60 years, what is the answer? $2,87,000. सिंपल यार 2,500 फर्क पड़ता है उतना ही है. 600. हाँ राइट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 हो गया ना सॉल्व? 2 क्वेश्चन. सेकंड क्वेश्चन क्या था? यही वाला ना? स्टूडेंट क्या पूछ रही है? HEC क्यों नहीं लिया सर? अरे जब रिबेट आके टैक्स 0 हो गया तो HEC क्यों आएगा बेटा? 0 का 4% करेंगे क्या? टैक्स 0 है ना बेटा, तो HEC क्यों आएगा? And rebate is always before HEC. Please note that point.
तो सर बी का आंसर है कि 11,057.72 आ रहा है टीए ले लेके 11 ये बी केस में जो एचईसी आ रहा है सर 11,057.72 आ रहा है
डेट ले लो,
डेट ले
पॉइंट्स को राउंड ऑफ करिए ना. आई एम नॉट राउंडिंग ऑफ टू 10, बट द पॉइंट आई राउंड ऑफ. कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता. दोस्तों क्लियर है? हो गया ये? कैन आई गेट बैक? Done. That's the story of question number 3. So 1 is done, 2 is done, 3 is done. 4th one we'll do tomorrow because that is related to company. We'll keep it pending. 5th question. Wow, very interesting question, man. I love that question actually. See the question? Come on, concentrate. Write short note on income accruing and income due. Sir, accrue में due में कुछ फर्क है क्या? I'll write 3 words. Tell what is the difference. Accrue, due, received.
सर accrued means earned but not received
Accrued means earned but not received. Received मतलब actually received. इतना तो पता है ना अपने को. Then what is the meaning of due? Outstanding. इनकम की बात कर रहे हैं, पे करने की बात नहीं कर रहे. अक्रू में ड्यू में फर्क है. अक्रू भी आने वाला है. अच्छा, ड्यू भी आने वाला है. ड्यू मतलब जल्दी आने वाला है. अक्रू मतलब थोड़ा आराम से आने वाला है. वर्क भी बाकी है. अरे भाई,
respect of expense
इन रेस्पेक्ट ऑफ इनकम की बात कर रहे हैं. इनकम अक्रू, इनकम ड्यू बोल रहे हैं हम. तो एक्सपेंस किधर आया? इधर से. तुम्हारा आउटस्टैंडिंग पेमेंट किधर से आया? तुम्हारा चेकिंग देयर नोट्स. नोट्स में कुछ नहीं मिलता. अच्छा, मटेरियल ढूंढ रहे क्या? उधर मिल जाएगा, बट पता भी नहीं चलेगा आपको किधर है वो. लिसन सर, लिसन. सैलरी इज अक्रूड ऑन डेली बेसिस, बट इट इज ड्यू ओनली एट द एंड ऑफ द मंथ. इन द सेम वे सबके पास बैंक अकाउंट है, इधर इंटरेस्ट, इधर सेविंग्स बैंक अकाउंट सबके पास है. आपको रोज इंटरेस्ट आ रहा है क्या? एक्चुअल में अक्रू हो रहा है, बट 3 महीने के एक बार अकाउंट में आता है. दैट इज कॉल्ड ड्यू. Technical language for this, English language for this. Accrued means right to receive. Due means right to enforce the payment. Right to what? Enforce the payment. Getting clarity, everybody? Example, salary is accrued on daily basis, but it is due only at the end of the month. समझ में आया? One more thing, what they asked. Can an income, इसे मतलब actual receipt हो तो पता है. Can an income which has been taxed on accrual be assessed again on receipt? दो बार टैक्स पे करेंगे क्या? If income is taxed on accrual, it will not be taxed again on receipt. Sir, accrual system of accounting पता है ना आपको? Receivable is also recorded, payable also is recorded. बराबर है ना? Write the answer. Income accrued means income accrued means right to receive. Income accrued means right to receive, whereas income due means right to enforce the payment. सर बराबर है, क्वार्टरली आता है ना इंटरेस्ट आपको. राइट. एग्जाम्पल, सैलरी इज अक्रूड ऑन ए डेली बेसिस. एग्जाम्पल, सैलरी इज अक्रूड ऑन ए डेली बेसिस. Salary is accrued on a daily basis, but it is due but it is due only at the end of the month. Salary is accrued on a daily basis, but it is due only at the end of the month. बेटा clear है आपको? Next slide. If income is taxed on accrual basis, right, next slide. If income is taxed on accrual basis, if income is taxed on accrual basis, then it cannot be taxed again. If income is taxed on accrual basis, then it cannot be taxed again on receipt basis. If income is taxed on accrual basis, then it cannot be taxed again on receipt basis. Are we clear with this point, everyone?
Yes.
Friends?
Yes.
So next line. Over. Sixth point C. Sixth question. What is sixth question? Describe what beta? Average rate of tax and what beta? Maximum marginal rate. ये तो अपने को पता है ना? Friends, average rate of tax means what, you know? Listen here carefully. Average rate of tax is equal to tax divided by income into 100. Let's take a small example. One person, let us say Mr. A, his income is 6 lakh rupees. What is the tax for him? 2.5 lakh nil, 2.5 to 5 lakh 12,500, and on 1 lakh 20%, 20,000. 20 plus 1200 is 32,500. 32,500 plus 4%. कितना रहे? 33. Then we say that the average rate of tax is 33,800 divided by 6 lakhs into 100. That means effectively इतना tax pay कर रहा है वो. बराबर है ना? That's called as what rate? Average rate of tax given by section 210. What is 29? Assessment year. 28? Assessment. 27? 210? Average rate of tax. दोस्तों clear है ना? Start. No, effective rate we don't use. We use the word average rate. चलो. Average rate of tax as per section 10. Effective rate word we use only when surcharge and all are added. Average rate of tax as per section 210. Average rate of tax as per section 210 means average rate of tax as per section 210 means total tax divided by total income into 100. समझ में आया बेटा? Take the example below. ये example लिख लो बेटा. Is that done? Next line. As per section 229C, क्वेश्चन में वो भी पूछे ना सर, वो तो पता है अपने को ऑलरेडी सर. As per section 229C, maximum marginal rate means 229C, maximum marginal rate means as per section 229C, maximum marginal rate means highest rate of income tax? Maximum marginal rate means highest rate of income tax. That is 30%. 30% plus surcharge 37%. Friends, correct? No? 30% plus surcharge 37% plus HEC 4%. Bracket effectively कितना बेटा 42.74%. Effectively 42.74%. That's it. Are we clear, my dear friends? Everybody, friends, reply. Come on. Good. 7th question already हो गया. क्या ये? Assessee, deemed assessee से assessee in default. Which section? Section 2, 7. बस पूरा पॉइंट लिख दो, मार्क्स आ जाएगा. इसलिए पूछा 2 मिनट पहले मैं आपको. क्लियर है? Last question. Explain the concept of what? Marginal relief. Already we wrote the concept. This will happen only when income is slightly beyond the limit of surcharge. Speak out, friends. Question number 9. Add in the material. Compute tax liability. Compute tax liability. Who is not having material, write in notes, man, please. Or material ले लो जल्दी. Compute tax liability of ABC Cooperative Society. Compute tax liability of ABC Cooperative Society. Assuming total income is 2 lakh. कितना बेटा 2 लाख. सॉल्व. क्वेश्चन समझ गए ना बेटा? सॉल्व करो बेटा. Somebody is telling tax is 0, sir. Up to 2.5 lakhs tax is nil. What, man? क्या बोले? स्लैबलेट्स करना है. Obviously, it's a cooperative society. 59,160 आ रहा है क्या? Which is equal to 1,000. बेटा बराबर है ना? 10,000 and 20,000 is the rate of 20%, which is equal to 2,000. समझ में आ रहा है ना दोस्तों? About 20,000, 30%, which is nothing but 54,000. 57,000. H is at the rate of 4%. कितना बेटा? 2160. 2280. 59. 2160 कैसा है भाई? समझ में आया ना क्वेश्चन? We didn't solve a question on cooperative society, no. That's why I gave a question. Is that clear? ये क्वेश्चन नंबर कौन सा है? 9. I hope the question is clear, everybody. Question number 10. Last question for today. We'll close. Compute tax liability of ABC and Co. मतलब क्या है? एबीसी एंड को मतलब कंपनी होता है क्या? एबीसी एंड को मतलब पार्टनरशिप फर्म. Company will always have limited or private limited. पार्टनरशिप फर्म एबीसी एंड को ही रहता ना यार. स्पीक आउट यार. कंप्यूट टैक्स लायबिलिटी ऑफ एबीसी एंड को, अ पार्टनरशिप फर्म. कंप्यूट टैक्स लायबिलिटी ऑफ एबीसी एंड को. अपन ये सोचते हैं एबीसी एंड को मतलब कंपनी. कंप्यूट टैक्स लायबिलिटी ऑफ एबीसी एंड को, अ पार्टनरशिप फर्म, assuming total income is ₹3 crores. दो मिनट खत्म करेंगे और जाएंगे. Oh. What happened, Karthik? Come on, do it. 1,80,00,000. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. सर कितना मैंने बोला टोटल इनकम? 3 crores. बराबर है ना बेटा? टैक्स एट व्हाट रेट बेटा? कितना होगा ये? 90 lakhs. Yes or no? Have to add what? Surcharge. Don't forget. We prepared one small table also for summary. Yes or no, friends? What is the rate of surcharge? 12%. Excellent. यार समझ में आ रही है नहीं आ रही आपको? कितना है? 10,80,000. 1,80,000 प्लस HEC at the rate of 4%. कितना है? 4 lakh? 3,200. Final answer 1,04,83,200. I just wanted to solve one question on partnership firm, one question on cooperative society, so that we will feel comfortable. सब बैलेंस हो जाएगा. हाँ. Somebody asked, कंपनीज का भी करते हैं ना सर? अरे रुकना मेरे भाई, पढ़ेंगे पहले. Are we clear with this concept, my dear friends? I strongly believe that today we got some tremendous clarity on surcharge. We solved some 7-8 questions in the morning, boss. मेरा first half पूरा surcharge में निकल गया. Exactly. And I'm sure whatever questions we solved, everything, I'm sure we are perfect with this. Everybody, friends? Sure. And the sections are also clear for all of us. रिवर्स करना बेटा कंपलसरी. आई एम श्योर. सी मेरा क्लास में सब कुछ इधर ही खत्म हो रहा है, तो बस आपको एक बार घर जाके 2-5-10 मिनट देख लो, काम हो जाएगा. यू नीड नॉट गिव टू मच ऑफ टाइम टू टैक्स. मेरा काम इधर ही हो जाएगा. होमवर्क ऑल्सो आई नॉट गिव मच. रेयरली आई विल गिव. 99.9% आई नॉट गिव ओनली. मैं क्लास में खत्म करूंगा. ठीक है ना बेटा? थैंक यू सो वेरी मच. हैव अ ग्रेट डे गाइस एंड सी यू ऑल ऑन मंडे मॉर्निंग. टुमारो देयर इज नो क्लास being the first Sunday, but next Sunday I'll definitely take class. As I told you already, some Sundays I'll take, some Sundays I'll give off. So be prepared for everything. Okay? Because starting में मस्ती करके last में pressure लेंगे तो कुछ नहीं होगा. From day one we'll be consistent. Okay? But tomorrow being first Sunday, I'm sure all classes will be holiday for you. Enjoy. कुछ काम है तो देख लो. मतलब हॉस्टल का, खाने का, रहने का, कुछ देखना है तो देख लो. But spend some time in revising everything, and any doubts, feel free to mark it. Monday when you come back, feel free to ask me. And last but not the least, first chapter में थोड़ा सा concept बाकी है, which I'll finish off on Monday. And Monday we'll start with one more beautiful chapter called residential status, where we will understand who is a resident, who is a non-resident. We will become perfect in that. Clear, beta? Thank you so much. Take care. See you all on Monday. Bye-bye. Thank you, beta. And enjoy your journey of CA Inter.